We're here at the Toyota Norte, and it so happened there's a Lite Ace FX on display. So I take this opportunity that people go home already in the afternoon, so nobody's in the showroom, so I can take a video of this Lite Ace. So the price for the Lite Ace FX is 727. So what's the difference with the Lite Ace FX and the other model? For the FX model, the difference is this section. No? This section is designed to carry passenger, of which you could also use it to carry cargo. Okay, so it's a multi-purpose, okay, utility, no? Okay, so we will open and take a look at the space. When you open it, as you can see, you have very wide space. Manual say 10 passenger, but I think this should accommodate 3, 6 per side, 12 passenger, no? And when you open it, the space is very wide. And one advantage of this one, if you want to carry cargo, all you need is to move up the chair, no? Not the chair, the seat here, no? All you need is to move up the seat, okay? So there's a lock there, no? Okay, you put it back. Okay, so this is the lock for the seat, no? So one advantage here is you could carry passenger, and if you want to carry cargo, you could easily convert it to a cargo by just moving this up. So very wide space. And as for the window is you could open it this way, right? So very wide and big window also. And one thing nice with this is you can open this back section. So if you want to put in big item, you could use it to carry big item. So basically, this is the main feature of the FX. And if you see, there's a pickup over here, no? So the head is the same, the cab, no? It's the same. For this pickup, it looks like this, no? This is the pickup, okay? But for this vlog, we're focusing on the FX. So that's all for now, because basically we are focusing on the back section, no? There are several blogs about the Lite Ace already, but there are very few that give us what is the Lite Ace FX.